An IR blaster is a device that sends infrared signals to an infrared receiver. The Homemate IR Blaster we are going to use today is a smart IR blaster, meaning that it functions like an universal remote to replace every remote control in your room. We are going to learn how to connect it to Alexa so that we can control our devices with voice commands. Specifically for this video, I am going to replace this old Mitsubishi AC remote with Alexa commands. But before we start, let's see what comes in the box. The device. Oh, that satisfying feeling. The device itself has got a piano black finish on the top and at the bottom, rubberized grips and a prominent groove. More on the bottom part of the device later. A USB cable with micro USB at one end. Quick start guide. And without much ado, let's get into setting up the IR blaster. Plug in the micro USB cable in the socket at the bottom of the device and pass the wire into the groove. Power on the device. On your phone, go to your Play Store or Apple Store and look for the Homemate app. Download Homemate Smart. Start the app. Go ahead, agree and set up your account. You will be prompted for a verification code. Once you enter the app, click on Add Devices. Select the IR Blaster. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Now here, if you look at the device, there is a small reset button. Press this reset button for about 3 seconds so that the device goes into pairing mode. This is a very important step, very often overlooked. Then confirm that the indicator is rapidly blinking and the app will search for the device. It may take up to a minute. Once found, it will load a database of all available appliances. At this step, you would like to add an infrared device. It could be your TV, it could be your AC, it could be a set-top box. In my case, I would like to add the air conditioner, so I click on Air. Click on Quick Match and look for my Mitsubishi AC. Then the app will prompt you for a match. Once you can switch your AC on and off, it means that you have found a match and click Can Connect. Thereafter, you will be prompted for temperature control. If all's good, click Can Match again and your AC is connected and you are done with the Homemate app. Move on to the skill page of Alexa. Here search for Homemate Smart, enable the skill and let it do its thing. It could take up to a minute. The IR blaster is found and now you can add it to the appropriate group. In my case, the Mitsubishi AC is in my bedroom, so I'm going to click bedroom and you are all done. And let's see how this works. Alexa, AC on.
ये ठंडा पर सेट है.
Alexa, AC 18 degrees.
The AC is set to 18.
Alexa, AC 24 degrees.
The AC is set to 24.
Alexa, AC off.
It's off.
A small indication I would like to leave you with on the side is that Alexa can switch the AC on and off and control the temperature. However, it cannot control the fan speed. If this video helped you, drop in a like and subscribe for more helpful ones like this.